kahit sobrang haggard, pagod, walang tulog. I will do it over and over again. Team Pilipino! Ate ko, parang may debut. Paano ang saya? Cheers, cheers, cheers! This is my first time cruising around Osaka. And in fairness kakaibang experience to. When you go inside this world, para ka talagang nasa magical world, ganon. Pagpasok mo pa lang, para ka talagang nasa game. I've been feeling sentimental the whole day. Iba talaga tong trip na to and I'm really, 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 really thankful. Ay, ayoko pang matapos ang creator-verse. Alright! So, nakapag-dinner na kami at hindi ko po siya na-vlog kasi first, pagod na pagod. Nakuha tayo ng ganyan. Right now, after dinner, may kaunting energy na ulit. We will be transferring from Hiroshima to Osaka already. Ang dami namin ang gulo. As mentioned, mag-Shinkansen po ulit tayo, but this time, meron na po tayong physical ticket. If you're gonna book your tickets on Klook, pwede kayong magkaroon ng option na QR code na lang so you don't need physical tickets. But if ever may physical ticket kayo, let me just explain quickly bakit dalawa ang ticket natin. Originally, ayan, so ito talaga yung ticket nyo, yung may bilog here and yung may red. This is at the ticket. This ticket, ito yung gagamitin nyo talaga mismo for the train station. Ticket talaga siya ng mismong train. Okay? Then, this one is the ticket for your reserved seat. For JR Shinkansen, may option po kasi kayo na mag-reserve ng seat nyo. So, ito yung ticket for that. And minsan, like yung nangyari kanina, kung nag-reserve man kayo, hinahanap nila mismo yung dalawa. Okay? So now, how to locate kung saang part kayo sasakay sa Shinkansen kasi ang haba ng Shinkansen, di ba? Nakikita nyo naman. Actually, already discussed this on the previous video, but let me just discuss it again. Mag-refer kayo dun sa second ticket, diniscuss ko. Then, as you can see here, this is the destination and this is the arrival. Time ng departure and time ng arrival, andyan na rin. On the right side part, makikita yung anong number ng car mo and kung anong seat number. So, for us, it's car number 3 and seat number 1D. Sa haba ng Shinkansen to know what side or what part of that Shinkansen yung sasakyan nyo, car number 3 yun. Ito yung parang riles ng train. Then, you will just refer here. Ayan, so this is Nozomi and car number 3. So that's ours. Car number 3. Good morning! May energy na po tayo kasi kagabi mga bestie ko, grabe. Hindi ko na po kinayang mag-vlog. Hindi na po ako nakapag-room tour sa inyo kasi sobrang pagod. Parang tumagos na ako sa pader ganong level, like expired kung expired. But now, I'm already fully charged and ready for the day. Lalaban na naman po ang bestie niyo. But before anything else, yes mga bestie ko, we are already here in Osaka. And first agenda namin ay mag-USJ. Yesterday, bumiyahe kami from Hiroshima to Osaka, mga 1 hour, more or less yung via JR Shinkansen. Then from the station, nagbus na kami papunta dito sa hotel, private transfer. If magdi-DIY kayo from the station to your hotel, you can actually really make use of their metro station or yung train station nila kasi very efficient and madali lang naman talaga mag-commute. All you gotta do is use Google Maps. Diyan na maglalatad si Google Maps ng mga options for you to go to your hotel. So, syempre, depende pala sa inyong preference kung gusto nyo na mas kaunti kaunting sasakyan or mas mabilis. For me, okay nang kaunting ma-extend ang aking travel time basta hindi maraming sasakyan at lilipatan ng mga train. So anyway, before we proceed to our adventure today, let me just give you a quick room tour. We are currently here in Oriental Hotel Universal City. It is one of the official hotels of Universal City, and mga bestie ko, literal katabi lang po niya ang Universal City. So mga bestie ko, sa mga nagko-consider na mag-book ng Osaka Hotel near USJ, this is actually one of the perfect ones. Perfect to especially sa mga pamilya, lalo na ang layo ng USJ from Osaka City Center, and hindi nila priority masyado yung mag-ikot sa Osaka Town. More on talagang USJ ang priority na experience nyo, so maganda na mag-book kayo dito sa area na to. If mas marami kayong plano sa may Osaka City area, I believe hindi efficient and effective na mag-book dito sa hotel na to kasi nga, ayun nga, magkukommute kayo lagi papunta pabalik ng ganong kahaba. Mga 1 hour yata ang biyahe. Or 30 minutes, sorry, I'll just put it here. This is a sample travel time and commute option from this hotel, for example, to Dotonbori, one of the famous shopping centers here in Osaka. So yes, let's do a room tour. Let's go! Ayan, meron po tayong 1 queen size bed and 1 single bed. Bestie ko, ginamit ko na kasi natulog po ako kagabi. Opo, malambot-lambot naman ang kama. Hindi ko lang bet yung unan kasi medyo matigas-tigas. Alam mo yung ganun. Then beside the bed, basically mini couch and mini table siya. Then in front of that, merong parang ayan, storage area. Pwede niyong patungan ng gamit. May tubig na provided. May tea provided. Merong mini refrigerator. Meron ding telepono. Then meron din tayong malaking television over here. I believe it's a smart TV kasi may mga Netflix, YouTube, etc. etc. siya. Makikita nyo, ayan, no? Ang laki ng space in my room. Kasyang-kasya. Ilang luggage kaya ang kasya dito? Siguro mga 4. Charis. This is my luggage for reference. Ganyan siya, bestie. I love it. Carpeted siya. I like carpets better kasi, I don't know, mas hindi malagkit sa feet. Then take note, wala silang storage area or cabinets, but meron silang hangiran dito na ang daming hangers. Pwedeng dito nyo na lang i-organize ang mga gamit nyo. Then on the side, meron din, ayan, for your luggage, pwede nyo pagpatungan. Then bestie ko, ayan, may malaki po tayong full-size mirror. And in fairness let me just share with you, okay ang lighting dito, especially if in the morning. But in the evening, medyo dim. So wala lang, share ko lang. Bathroom is actually really huge as well. Comparing it to Japanese standards itong part na to, ang laki so pwede mo talagang ilatad yung mga anik-anik mo. And ang laki din po ng mirror, so sobrang perfect pag nagbe-makeup. Yung lighting pala, ang ganda din. So, perfect talaga siya if, you know, you're doing your makeup and stuff. Kasi kita-kita mo talaga lahat. Toilet, yes, we have a Japanese toilet and okay po ang buga. Although, medyo weird yung mga buttons niya kasi hindi pala siya weird. Less better. Comparing it to the other Japanese toilet that I experienced. Meron din po tayo ditong bathtub. So, kung gusto nyong mag-bathtub after a full day of adventures, meron dito. Pwede nyong gawing hot water ang water. And provided na din po ang shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. Towels, yes, ang dami din pong towels na provided. Ikaw na lang pipili ko anong gagamitin mo for yourself. And last one, mga bestie ko, meron din po silang provided na pantulog. I love it. So, we booked this through Klook. Product link is on my description box below. Then, ayan yung mga prices for room options here in this hotel. Check nyo na lang. Then, of course, mga bestie ko, if gagamitin nyo po ang aking Klook code, malaki din po ang matitipid nyo. So, diba, why not? Pwede nyo na actually siyang i-redeem ngayon pa lang kahit hindi pa kayo magbubook or hindi pa kayo magta-travel. At least nakasave na siya sa Klook app nyo para magamit nyo na agad-agad when you book your activity or hotel. So anyway, let's go. Bisitahin na po natin ang mga friendship natin at mag-USJ po tayo! We're already here inside Universal Studios, mga bestie ko! Siguro mga 3 minutes walk lang ang nangyari from aming hotel to the entrance of Universal Studios. Our first ride is officially done. Nag-Minion Mayhem kami And nag-express pass kami because it will take you 50 minutes to be able to go inside if regular na line lang yung iti-take nyo. So that's why nagpa-express ticket kami because this ride is very famous and now I understand bakit. Although bawal mag-video sa loob. So para lang siyang virtual ride, roller coaster-ish. Ang storya is you will be converted into a minion pero may mga challenge inside. Everything is virtual only. So tamang-tama siya for me kasi hindi talaga ako nagro-roller coaster. Pero hindi siya tamang-tama sa mga taong mahihiluhin kasi nakakahilo siya kaunti. Virtually, gets? Take note, it's really, really hot. So make sure you bring your water, tumbler kasi may mga refillable water stations naman inside. Bring any mga cooling sprays or wipes kasi talaga huhulasin kayo. Important talaga yung water kasi talagang very hot. It's currently 37 degrees right now. So, but ang maganda dito mga bestie ko, so far yung mga rides, yung mga waiting area talaga punong-puno ng mga fan at may mga ibang air condition pa. Alam mo yun, para asarap na lang magstay sa loob. Fresh naman ang mga waiting area. Waiting area sa rides. The next ride we took was the Villain Con. And this one I love because walang masyadong effort na gagawin. At air condition po the whole time. So, it's basically like an event. Ayan, kung makikita yung mga visuals, para kayong umattend ng isang event, pero puro mga villain ng Minions, part ng Minions. When you go inside the area, ayan, bibigyan kayo ng parang baril. Then, parang may mga pag-games inside, hindi ko mag-gets. Basically, magbabaril-baril lang kayo, ayan, the whole time. It's actually really fun. Very, ang ganda sa visuals. Yeah, okay siya sa akin kasi nakatayo ka lang at magbabaril-baril ka lang, ate ko. One of my favorite worlds actually in the whole USJ is yung Minion. First is because hindi ko alam kung bakit nare-relate ko ang mga Minion sa mga corgi ko. Maybe because of their silliness. Ang cute ng Minion! Then, ang daming mga visuals inside this world. This world na very, very cute. Busog na busog ang camera mo. Bawat corner, pwede mong picturean. Then basically, para ka talaga nasa loob ng Minion or naging parte ka ng Minion world, literal. Look at everything. It's really, really nice. So time check mga bestie ko, it's already 11:45, almost 12 p.m. na. And medyo nakapag-ikot-ikot na kami ng mga bestie kong mga tito and tita right now. Oh, hi! Sa inat right now, talagang hindi namin mapigilan ang mga sarili namin maghanap ng area na may aircon. So, good thing, I'm comparing the amount of people right now to my experience sa Hong Kong Disneyland or Disneyland Tokyo. Yung mga restaurant doon, on my experience, laging puno and ang hirap maghanap ng table. But here, in our area, ang dami pang mga seats. Perfect talaga tambayan. But of course, bili kayo ng drinks. There are also people who wants to dine in and use yung table sa restaurants and all. You know what I'm saying? So, I actually bought, ayan, orange juice. I'll just show yung menu here. Yan yung prices ng mga drinks. So, I bought orange juice and water because wala akong dalang tumbler. For you to save money, you have to bring a tumbler. Pakita natin ang tumbler ni Mami May. Ayan. O, diba? Ang daming mga water stations where you can refill your water. So, at least, tipid kayo sa tubig. Ang akin lang, kaya hindi ako nagdadala ng tumbler kasi mabigat. And as a princess, ayoko nang mabigat yung bag ko. Kung kasama ko sana si Carla, dinagdala ko ng 3 tumbler. Food is allowed here?
No. Kanina may mga nagmakaawang, parang basta isang family sila na may mga dala silang biskwit, mga sandwiches. Medyo pinalusot pero ang sabi, pinakain na lang bago pumasok sa pinaka-entrance. So, inubos nila kaysa i-confiscate.
Tapos magra-rides ka, busog na busog ka sa
pero
snacks.
best talaga if wag na lang magdala.
Yes. Generally, hindi talaga pwede ang pagkain dito. Unlike sa Hong Kong Disneyland, just in case you guys already experienced Hong Kong Disneyland, pwede ang food para makatipid ka sa pagkain. But here in USJ, mga bestie, hindi po pwede i-confiscate yan or ipapakain nga sa inyo bago kayo mag-entrance. Yes, mga kababayan, hindi ko po yun sinakyan. As a visual lang. Ito po ang mga team nanonood. O, paano? Kanwari? Paano tayo?
Parang kakagaling lang natin sa ride.
Oh. Ang mga cloud chasers!
Oh my God, so excited!
I'm rating this 10 out of 10. Paano ang saya? Woo! Okay, so nandito naman kami ngayon sa Harry Potter. We're currently here inside an air-conditioned Harry Potter souvenir shop. because napakainit naman talaga. Hindi ko alam kung nakailang beses na ako nagsabi na napakainit po talaga sa USJ right now. But yes, ang ganda ng Harry Potter. Honestly, hindi talaga ako fan. Don't hate me. Hindi talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ba't hindi ako tinuruan ng magulang ko manood ng Harry Potter. Very High School Musical, Kids Next Door, Powerpuff Girls. Ako nga girly when I was a child. When you go inside this world, para ka talagang nasa magical world, ganon. Very, very enchanting. Very, very Hogwarts. With our express pass, we were able to ride Forbidden Journey. And sa totoo lang, nung una, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi I'm not a roller coaster, thrill rides, activity type of girly. Parang nape-pressure lang ako kaya ako nag-rides na yun. Kasi nga lahat nung nakatingin. Ayan, yan yung mga rason kung bakit ako nag-rides dun sa Forbidden Journey. Na-enjoy ko siya, I love it. Para kang nag-mini roller coaster virtually. Ang ganda ng mga effects. Para kang nasa movie. Oo, para kang part ng movie, part ka ng adventures nila. And I really love it! I super love it. Yun lang, kung may motion sickness ka at medyo nagkakaroon na ako nun as a tita. Medyo naduling ako after, but all good siya, worth it siya. Oh. Sarap pa na singkot ko dito eh. Anong comment mo dun sa ride?
Wala, gusto ko lang ng 5 seconds exposure. Hi guys.
Tapos kinat ng editor.
Si Harry Potter, grabe. Nahihilo ko pero pag nakikita ko si Harry, nawawala yung hilo ko parang, go, let's fight this.
So next world na pupuntahan namin is the Nintendo World. One of my favorite! Take note, may mga timed entry siya, if I'm not mistaken. Pagpasok mo pa lang, para ka talagang nasa game. Diba? Childhood memories! Healing the inner child. Ewan ko, yung mga fan ng Super Mario dyan, lalo ng mga bata kayo, this is the perfect world to be! Nanakang boses. We tried one ride, para ka talaga nasa Mario Kart game. As in, meron kang pa head thing, tapos you will be riding as in yung kart nila, tapos may pa-game. Then second is, we went to the new extension of USJ. Ang name ng world na to is si Donkey Kong. And para ka talagang nasa jungle naman this time. And ayan na nga, nabudol po tayo sa isang game, which is the Minecart Madness. Madness po talaga siya for me. Hindi kasi talaga ako ma-thrill rides. Basti ko, mga napasubo po tayo for this ride. Hindi ko naman alam na parang pa-roller coaster vibe siya. Okay siya for one experience for me. Gusto ko lang din pala i-share sa inyo quickly yung mga dala-dala kong mga, summer essentials to survive a very hot day in a theme park. So, unahin ko na itong suot-suot ko ngayon. It's a cooling towel. So, it's disposable. You can buy it in Don Quijote. Basically, nilalagay siya sa batok mo. Magkukool na lang siya ng kusa. Then, if you actually pair with a fan, ayan, mas cool siya. Para ka na naka-aircon. So, sobrang perfect for this weather. Tapos, another one, mga bestie ko, is this one. I super love this. Ubus na nga, a cooling wipes naman. So, pwede mo siyang i-wipe sa skin mo, especially pag kulas ka na. Then, mas magiging fresh ang skin mo. Then, again, pair it with a Jisoo fan. Mas mararamdaman mo yung lamig. Then again, guys, don't forget to bring your fan. Feel ko, kakainin kayo ng lupa sa init pag wala kayong fan. Gusto ko rin pala i-share sa inyo tong bag na to. Nabudol po ako ni Kokoy. Yan, this GU bag. Ay, mga bestie ko, lifesaver. As you can see, ayan, no? Isang ganun lang, abot mo na yung mga gamit. Then, kita mo na lahat. Then, I love this part. Kasi you can put your bottle, water bottle, or anything that you want easy access, and may another one here. And now, the exciting part of the day is here! Saan nga tayo pupunta?
Stage 33.
Bakit? For the party! So mga bestie ko, we will be having an exclusive Creatorverse exclusive party! I've never experienced an exclusive party here in Universal Studios. And it's gonna happen ngayon! So, kahit wala na kami energy, lalaban pa rin kami. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Oh, wala nang energy yung hooray. Hooray!
Hooray!
Oh my gosh, hi! Team Pilipino! Oh my God! Nakikita nyo ba ang nakikita ko? This is our location for our exclusive party! Ate ko, parang may debut. Ayan, na-closing na po kami ng Universal Studios. Wala nang tao. And actually, looks more magical. Ang ganda! I feel so emo-emo. I love it. Although, alam ko nakakapagod and ang dami kong reklamo sa vlog. Init. But behind those, ang init, everything is actually really worth it. The time I had with my Filipino creator friends, the new friends that I met, being recognized by Klook, being supported by Klook. Nakapaligid yung mga tao na sharing the same passion as you have. Iba yung feeling. And nakaka-motivate din at the same time to grow more. I love you so much, Klook! And for you na nanonood nito, na also an aspiring content creator, na gusto rin makasama sa Creatorverse 2025, just keep posting, mga bestie ko. Post lang ng post. Do everything with passion, by puso. Then the rest will follow. Your time will come. I love you! So, good morning mga bestie ko! Pakita ko sa inyo yung breakfast here in Oriental. In fairness, ang laki, ang daming mga options, and ang dami din pong tao. Pakita ko lang ng bahagya. Medyo busy ang ating buffet right now, but I'll just show you a quick overview of the buffet options. May bacon, ham, chicken and rice dish, may dumplings over here. Hello kapamilya, kapuso!
Hello! Good morning, guys!
Tapos ayan, may high curry. Favorite ko to. Ay, nawala. Ayan, high curry. Favorite ko to. Oh, cheers! Ayan na siya mga bestie ko. Ang daming tao as you can see. Merong dessert area here. Medyo kaunti lang yung option. Ito yung pinaka-favorite part ko pala. Ayan, legit na orange juice. Isa sa mga unique area dito sa buffet is their live kitchen. So, pwede ka magpaluto ng burger. So, ito yung kinuha ko. Curry. Ayan, hamburger na walang tinapay. Ayan, mga dumplings at kanin. Yun lang, medyo hindi ko bet ang selection ng food. Or baka, or hindi eh. Hindi ko masyado talagang bet. But, yeah, kanya-kanyang preference naman yan. Bon appetit! For today's adventure, we will be exploring Osaka through this pass. Have Fun Kansai Pass. Para siyang pass na it will give you 3 or 6 pass to over 200 plus attractions. Plus, on top of that, ang daming mga freebies like itong JR Shinkansen, eSIMs, and subway pass between Kyoto and Osaka. If I'm not mistaken, alagay ko na lang dito. Kung i-avail yung 3 attraction pass and availing all these freebies pa lang, sulit na to mga bestie ko. How much more if you will also pick one of the most expensive attractions? So, ibig sabihin talagang sulit na sulit mga bestie ko. We avail it through Klook, of course. Ayan siya mga bestie ko. And if you use my code, mas may discount siya. I'll just show you a sample of computation kung gano'ng kasulit yung Have Fun Kansai Pass. Ayan, screenshot nyo na lang. Sorry, medyo hindi organized ang aking pag-explain, but hopefully gets nyo ang aking points. Dito kami sa Starbucks. I ordered, hello, oat latte. O, ayan, tinis niya ang oat latte ko. Tignan natin kung same kami ng...
Pero nakukulangan ako sa lasa ng oat. Where is it?
Bakit ako natamisan?
Patingin.
Matamis to?
Oo. Ala.
Ay, miss. Uy, ubo kasi ako ngayon.
Ay, very good.
Saan nalaman to rin?
Very good. Appear tayo dyan.
Natatamisan ka?
Oo.
Tama sa lasa.
Wait lang.
Oat latte kasi to. Hindi naman to frappuccino na may mga sugar, ate ko. Ha? Hindi. Parang hala.
Hindi maarte ako sa matamis, pero yung sa matamis.
Hindi siya matamis. Yung milk niya may tamis.
Magaspang
yung milk. Oo, tsaka yung pagka-creamy ng milk.
Ay, yung oat
matamis.
milk. Tama. Yung oat milk.
Side.
Tama.
Hindi
Mas
na ako
creamier.
maabot sa ganung layering of tasting. Basta matamis, masarap. Doon lang ako.
first activity that we will be trying is the hop on top of bus. Ayan siya mga bestie ko. Ang ganda ng bus. Very Club branded and malaki siya. Actually, in-expect ko na open yung, parang open top bus yung magiging atake. We will be using this bus going to Santa Maria Cruise. And that's gonna be our second activity for today. Actually, I think this is my first time cruising around Osaka. And in fairness kakaibang experience to. Ang ganda lang kasi it's really big. Ayan, di ba? Very roro ang kanyang atake. Inside, merong isang malaking room na air condition. Parang siyang restaurant type. So, pwede kang actually mag-order ng mga food on the side. If gutom kayo, habang nagko-cruise, gano'n. Sa baba naman, mas malamig. Air condition. Yun lang, walang view. But at least, air condition. Then if you go out, that's where you see the view talaga. Talagang mas ma-appreciate mo yung Osaka on a different level because different yung, ano ba yun, POV mo. Thank you, my love.
All the way from Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi? From Abu Dhabi. Thank you. Grabe, nakakatuwa naman talaga. Hi! Ayoko pang matapos ang Creatorverse. I'm feeling very, very sentimental lately. Cheers, guys! Lunchtime na! My favorite part of the day. Even till our last full day, may mga surprises pa rin sila sa amin. Binigyan kami ng mga ganito. Parang dito mo malalaman yung food for you. Then apparently, biglang may nakikita na kaming kuya na may hawak na poster na ate ko. Sumo show! We're gonna watch a sumo show.
Yeah, we're gonna watch it.
Have you watched?
Have you?
No!
I know, I'm excited.
I'm excited! So, dumaan muna kami sa parang souvenir shop ng sumo area. I mean, look at this one! So cute! Para siyang ref magnet. Ayan o, ref magnet or magnet lang. Tapos, Mami! Whee! Gets ko na po ang nangyayari. So, we have this band. Red is for normal food. Walang dietary restrictions. Green, which is yung kay Ate May natin. Ate May? May dietary restrictions. Kung ayaw mo na spicy, kung ayaw mo ng dairy, or basta anything na may restriction, green ka. Then, mahihiwalay po sila ng seating arrangement. Sa kabila, ang green, dito yung mga red. Ito ang mga red persons natin. Hello! Ito din, hi!
Hello!
So, ayan ang mga red persons natin. Then, kasama na dito yung free drink. So, this is the menu. Ang kinuha ko is water lang kasi medyo hindi ko bet yung mga option. And at the same time, ayan! Meron na kaming food. I-unbox natin. Let's go! Wow! Wow!
Coach Vidal.
Hi! Ba't parang may ano? Ba't galit?
May gigil.
JM Bangkito.
Pulse Vidal? Yeah! Ang cute! So, may mga iba't ibang mga options, oh. Like, ang daming mga types of food. Okay to sa akin kasi OC talaga ako sa food. Ayoko yung nag-halo-halo. So, perfect! May mga dividers siya. Meron din kaming soup! Kumakain muna kami, then later may sumo wrestling show na. Medyo dry yung pagkain. Pero okay naman, may lasa naman. At saka yun, malamig-lamig din. But, ako naman siya.
Oh, they're saying something. Let's say, go, go! Let's go!
Okay, next stop naman mga bestie ko is Umeda Sky Building. Nakikita nyo naman, very unique ang itsura niya. It features 2 40-story towers connected by a floating garden observatory at the top. It's a 360 view of the, hindi naman whole Osaka, but ng Osaka. And for me, sobrang sulit niya kasi hindi naman everyday you look at a destination you visited from above. And ito talagang mas ma-appreciate mo basically yung city. Kasi kita mo lahat di ba? If curious kayo kung ano yung naging inspiration ng architect sa paggagawa ng building na to, ayan siya, screenshot nyo na lang. But basically, ang bet niyang gawin is, parang may spaceship na lumipad from the building, ganun, ang peg. So, it's like a spaceship that flew away as per Hiroshi Hara. Taray! As the elev going down, yan yung aesthetic elev. Taray, di ba? Wow! So, tinanggal nila ang bubong. Hey! It looks so nice! Bandang hapon na, so we were able to, ayan o, tinanggal na namin yung bubong na hindi ko alam na pwede pala tanggalin, mga bestie ko. So normally wala talagang bubong to, but just because yun nga special pass to and maaraw-araw kanina, kaya nilagyan ng bubong. But normally hindi, and ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. And mas nafe-feel mo yung adventure or yung thrill if, you know, gumagalaw ka. Again, pwede kayong mag-hop on, hop off. So meaning, pwede kayong bumaba at a certain time, following their schedule, pwede ulit kayong sumakay. Kaya hop on, hop off.
Introduction of me, my name is John. I'm from actually South Korea.
So ayan, meron din palang parang nagdi-discuss. I'm not sure kung talagang normal to sa isang hop on, hop off. But ayan, mga beshi ko, ito yung sample timeline. And again, pwede kayong mag-hop on, hop off. So meaning, if you're inside the bus, pwede kang mag-hop off anywhere sa stations na to. Then, pwede ka ulit mag-hop on a time na gusto mo ulit. This is it. I'm about to end my vlog. This trip is about to... Nayak ako. About to end. Dinarop off na kami sa one of the stops where yung prefer namin. And nandito ako ngayon sa Shinsai Bashi. Wala na po akong kasamang mga content creators. Naghiwa-hiwalay na po kami. Later naman do, mag-meet kami ng mga Team Philippines and other creators pa rin. Pero hindi na kami kompleto. Lalabas na lang kami. Parang this is not part of the itinerary anymore. Lalabas na lang kami, you know, or whatever, party together. But then again, it's not part of the itinerary anymore. And hindi na kami kompleto. So yes, oh my God, I feel so sentimental right now. I've been feeling sentimental the whole day and ilang beses ko sinasabi sa inyo, iba talaga tong trip na to and I'm really thankful na na-experience ko to. If next year man, hindi ako maging kasama, I mean, we never know. I'm grateful na there was once a time in my life na naging parte ako ng Creatorverse and I am happy na itong 2025 batch yung na-experience ko. And if I will do it over and over again, kahit sobrang init, kahit sobrang haggard, pagod, walang tulog, I will do it over and over again. Mga bestie ko sa mga nakatapos ng vlog ko, salamat. Oh my God. Alam ko sobrang gulo pa ng vlog ko right now. Wala pang masyadong flow. First video ko on this channel and yet you guys stayed and watch the video. So it really means the world to me. And dahil dyan parang I feel like kailangan ko pa talagang galingan as a content creator para sa inyo guys. Kailangan ko pang mag-improve for you guys to serve you guys better. Yeah, yun lang naman. I love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for staying with me throughout the years. Hopefully, manifest natin, maging part pa rin tayo next year. But if hindi, which I support pa rin since give chance to others, this is to let you know I'm really grateful for everything that happened here. Ikikwento ko sa mga future anak ko. Excited na akong umuwi ngayon kay Carl. Ikikwento ko lahat. And yeah, love you. Thanks for watching.